Okay, here we are with the next phase of the online learning. Here we are again at the learning module page 6 through 8. We're going to go down to how does a society respond in a crisis. Boom. We're going to scroll down to page 10, which is the beginning of phase 3 or day 3, that's what I would call it. 8, 9, it's 9 and 10. So here we go, let me read it for you. Step 1. A seed is anything that ignites deep thought and a reaction. Examples of a seed can include an article, a song, a TikTok video, a blog, a book, a podcast, a photograph, a political cartoon, a film, a movie, a social media post, etc. The amount of information circulating about the coronavirus pandemic is overwhelming. It is important to be able to summarize the information we hear or read to better understand the situation and how society responds to the crisis. And it's just citing her right there. So in today's assignment, we're going to be summarizing. Okay, that's what we're focusing on, is how to take a big piece of information, summarize it into a small one. Step 2, find at least 2 different seeds of your choosing and compare. Use the seed list attached below to help you. It's document 7. And we're going to respond to it later. I'm going to show you the seeds real quick. Those are on page 37. Kaboom. Alright, they have a long list of seeds, as they call it. And these are all hyperlinks. Boom. As you can see. So what you're going to do, you can look through all of these, a few of these, pick 2 that really capture your eye, or your mind, I should say, and read through them. See what they're about. It tells you what they are. Like this one's a video. What else do we have? And these are all, I believe, like actual. There's a podcast right there. Yeah, so just look through it. Read through them. See how they make you feel, what information you're gathering. And we're going to go back up to, hold on, it's like hidden. Back up to page 10. Sorry if that makes you dizzy, it makes me dizzy. Boom. Now we're going to go to step 3. I'll highlight it. As you view or listen to your 2 seeds, record information and thoughts on the attached 2-column graphic organizer, and I'll show you that here in a second. Cite important evidence from your seeds, text, quotes, lyrics, phrases, parts of an image, etc. that help you make sense of what you are reading and listening to. Again, that's summarizing. You're going to take the big picture and shrink it down, into little thing. And again, it says use the attached 2-column graphic organizer. But then it also says feel free to organize your thoughts your own way. I'm going to show you another way to do it. Oh, sorry, let me finish reading. It is important to record your thoughts. I'm going to show you 2 ways to record it. First one is the 2-column graphic organizer. I'm going to show you real quick. On page 38. Hopefully I'm not wrong. Oh, I am. 39. 39. Here's the 2-column graphic organizer they give you. They give you a small directions up here. Use the chart below as you watch a video, film, listen to a song or podcast, or as you read an article to record and consider the aspects that you find most important or interesting. First, on the left-hand side, First, on the left side, note a specific quote or detail from the video / film, podcast, song, text, etc. Next, on the right side, tell what you noticed about it, why you chose it, and what questions it raises for you. So if you see a quote that says, I don't know, any quote that they find just intriguing or just like, oh my goodness, they're sort of taking it back on it, they'd put it over here and then they would tell me why, Oh, well, it sort of blew me away that this percentage of people get the virus, this percentage recover from it, so on and so forth. I mean, it's really self-guided. Whatever they find interesting, they can put on there. I would say do at least 3 or 4 different bullet points on here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then correspond 1, 2, 3, 4. Another way you can record these thoughts, if you don't want to use this, you can also, I'm going to Google it real quick. You can also use a Venn diagram. Boom. Go to images. Here's a good example. They do whales to fish. So you can do like article 1, article 2, or I shouldn't say that. I should say seed 1, seed 2, and then you can compare them and contrast. So in the middle, you would put what's the same. On the outsides, you would put what's different. The students have used this a bunch with our in-class reading, so they should know how to use this really easily. So go back. And that is, it's like hidden behind my thing, I'm sorry. Go back up to page 10. I know that makes me so dizzy. And that's it for phase 3. Stay tuned for more stuff. I'm going to be making some Google Classroom assignments, so once you make your 2-column organizer or your Venn diagram or however you record it, I'm going to put it to where you can take a picture of it and upload it for those of y'all that have the ability to do that. If not, hold on to it. We'll find a different way for me to make sure you're doing the work. Again, if you have any questions, follow my Facebook page, Instagram. I have a YouTube one too. I'm trying to get as much information out there as I can. So, so far so good. And if you have any questions, my number is on the Facebook page again, but I'll give it out again real quick. It is 940-859-0768. That's a Google Voice number. It's not my personal one, but it's on Google Voice, but I'll get the phone call regardless. And there we go. Thank y'all.